guys, so today we are making strawberry banana cake. If you have some ripe bananas, bring them out, okay? You are going to mash your banana. They are going to mix together. Now you can add your flour, your all-purpose flour, your sugar, some baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Then you mix together. Some fresh strawberries, pour it in, and then mix together. And now we are ready to bake in our LG Neochef Microwave. So guys, I'd like you all to join the LG Insider community for a chance to review the LG Neochef Microwave and get to be picked for a future online content creators challenge. Link in bio.